Since in my lady there is so much honor and wisdom, head and summit of worth and valor, she should rightly have fear and dread of failing or saying what would not be fitting. But I for this am not dismayed at all, rather it is fitting that I be now more faithful and gay. For in my heart I have such teachings that lead me to her where worth and youth are. Therefore I cannot fail in anything. I should have good heart and faithful desire, since my treasure teaches me in love. No harm from slanderers can prevent me from saying what is fitting about her. So much does my lady please me and delight me, her good fortune, which is know this, so very and pleasing above all others. And I love her sweet behavior more than any other who could enrich me. Great teaching, to whom God has given such grace and such honors, that from his hand he made no such great brightness, moon nor sunshine so radiantly. When it is darkest, clearer than in May, she shines where she is when the sun's ray appears. I cry mercy to my lady so sweetly for my suffering, for the great torments I have endured for her, I so desire. Now I know well that I spoke amiss, for I did not think when I spoke such great folly. I surrendered to her mercy for her sweetness, for I repented once of what I said. I do not wish to see that I suffer evil for her, rather the great desire I have for her grows to honor her. For all my thoughts I have placed in her, there will be no failing in this that would turn me away from loving and serving her. Make me love her, and I will never part from her. As long as I live, I will be her well-wisher, and entirely bent down so completely for the best one the world could choose. Go toward the north wind quickly and run into my treasure, and say if she does not help me, she will suffer harm from a faithful lover. And if she loses, and nothing will profit her, rather it will be harm to her. When a friend falls, I cry mercy to her more than I know how to say. God, when will I see her beautiful body so cheerful, whom I so desire to be with her alone, so that I cannot truly tell or say it. My lady knows my heart without my seeking. She has so much wisdom and is so knowing, that in her is all the suffering and the healing.